evening, everyone. My name is Darunimi Kami. You can call me Teacher Som. Week 12, clip 79. The title is Sentence Practice and Pronunciation. Vocabulary, reading, spelling, and sentence. Number 1. Check. C-H-E-C-K. Check. He will check for me. Number 2. Lunch. L-U-N-C-H. Lunch. I'm eating lunch. Number 3. Exercise. E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E. Exercise. She is exercising. Number 4. Principle. Principle. P-R-I-N-C-I-P-A-L. Principle. I gave my mother the principle. Number 5. Teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. I am a teacher. Number 6. Straight. S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T. Straight. He is straight. Number 7. Ceremony. C-E-R-E-M-O-N-Y. Ceremony. She is having a ceremony. Number 8. Meditate. M-E-D-I-T-A-T-E. Meditate. Mom is about to meditate. Number 9. Student. S-T-U-D-E-N-T. Student. I am a student. Number 10. National Anthem. N-A-T-I-O-N-A-L-A-N-T-H-E-M. National Anthem. I sing the national anthem. My story. I am a teacher. I am sick every morning. Students will sing a national anthem, exercise, and meditate. At a ceremony, shake name and have run, sleep. After waking up, prepare to go home. Thank you.